The United States Army stands as one of the most advanced and mission-ready armies in the world. During the time between wars, also known as the interwars, the Army is always working to prepare itself so when the next conflict arises, we are ready. As the Maneuver Center of Excellence, Fort Benning has taken the lead in testing new prototype weapon systems that can aid our soldiers in the front lines.
But this is all about filling the gap in our capabilities so we're prepared for the future in this interwar period.
The prototypes for a new weapons system utilizing a 30mm gun and a 30mm cannon have the potential to be introduced into the fighting force. The purpose of the demonstration was to show Army leaders how this technology can have an impact on the Army as a whole, filling the gaps identified in our reconnaissance platforms. The 30mm gun can be mounted to a light armored vehicle and is identical to the gun on an Apache helicopter with the exception that it is belt fed. Likewise, the 30mm cannon is similar to the main gun on a Bradley fighting vehicle.
What's new about this weapon system is that it's at that caliber you can get airburst ammunition, which is a game changer for the Army. I mean, airburst basically brings to the warfighter, renewed capability or increased capabilities and lethality we never had before.
Lieutenant General H.R. McMaster says that the enemy has been observing us for years and adapting their technology.
And so what we are endeavoring to do is to ensure that we stay ahead of these determined and adaptive enemies.
The United States Army is committed to working with industry to develop technology that can keep our soldiers safe and successfully completing missions.
Every time you bump into a U.S. Army formation and you're the enemy and you make the unwise choice of taking a shot at us, smoking boots is going to be the result on the other end.
Charles Gilbert, Fort Benning, Georgia.